Wait, this woman walked up to the god of death and known. Her name was Savitri. Savitri fell in love with Satyayan. But there was a problem. He was destined to die in exactly 1 year. One day, Jomraj, the god of death, came. He took Satyayan's soul, but Savitri to go back home. She followed death itself. Jomraj was impressed. He offered her their wishes. Anything except her husband's life. But Savitri was too clever. She tricked death and got her husband back. Savitri proved true love is more powerful than death itself. She is not just a story. She is every woman who never gives up. Would you follow someone you love even to death? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more powerful stories.